Hey guys, welcome back. While we've been gone, I drilled a hole, Dylan looked at a hole, and Ben arrived late. So, hope you enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to this cooking segment. Today we're building a $50 smoker. We have $5 each for old dry insides. Yeah, I know, how about that? Then we've got a oven tray from Kmart, $7 something. Drying racks? I think they're drying racks. Meat racks now, they were a couple bucks. And then hinges on there. That's it. We're gonna get to it and hopefully have dinner tonight. It sounds good. And it's all under $50, so let's get to it, guys. Okay, so bottom one here is going to be designated to the fire. So then we'll probably, we have to do a stand. Oh, we'll figure that out. Anyway, and then the heat, this middle chamber here will be mainly for heat distribution of the water, and then we'll probably have our first rack. And then on the top one, we'll probably have another rack for cooler stuff. And so yeah, you can have two things going at once. We'll see which one cooks better. Might only have to run 2 at a time, maybe 3, but we'll see how it goes. And Dylan just broke it. Good job. We're just gonna drill some more holes in the bottom. Just a couple more, just so we can get a bit more airflow for the fire. I don't know, it's an experimental thing, so we'll just see how it goes, but yeah.
For a piece of cardboard so that I can trace it onto the side of it so that we've got the same size door on all of them, so it kind of looks neat and nice. To the back of the Camry. Ah, we made it. Going to steal a bit of cardboard. And the plan is to size this up and to trace it around the side so that every door is kind of symmetrical, so it sort of looks neat. I don't know, we'll see how we go.
Most of my holes were pretty even except for this one. I call him Lonely Joe. I reckon that should be enough ventilation though.
They said Lonely Joe was a smoker.
Okay, so the bottom holes are drilled. We'll have to get a vacuum cleaner just to get the metal shavings out, because I don't think they taste very good.
Yes.
Anyway, door time.
How low do we want?
Do you reckon we even need a door on the bottom? Oh yeah, you would, because we need to put coals in.
About there.
Are they wide enough to... Remember, you got to put meat on top of that as well.
Yeah, it's like this much taller than it.
Yeah, meat's thicker than that.
How thick of meat are you looking for?
Thick, boys.
Gonna chuck a whole cow in there, dude.
Yeah, man. That's what the big smokers for. You get the little smokers for the little smokes, and then big smokers for the big smokes.
Yeah, well, you can just leave the rack in there, and this will be about... The rack will be like ending there, and then we'll have this much room.
We can just cut some legs off. We can cut the legs off a little bit.
Yeah.
They don't need to be that high. Sounds good. Alright, Captain. That'll do the job, donkey. And ski. Jim. Oh, it is. I haven't plugged it in.
Please tell me you're filming.
Hey, that makes a difference. I can just pull it up. Does the job. Hayden, he's an ideas man. Hayden, he's an ideas man. What do you reckon? That's not a bad fit. I just got to touch it somehow.
Little warnings here.
really see it that well, but it looked alright.
Is that soot?
Yes.
Holy
There was, dude, that's nothing.
Oh yeah, no, go have a look at mine.
No, dude. When I was cleaning this out, there was like, how'd you explain it?
Can we go?
There was flakes coming out.
Can we?
Why do you think I'm going slowly? Oopsie. Because I wasn't even pushing hard. Oh, look at that little latch. Oh, done fit. Just kidding.
I'm gonna go burn some stuff. These are what we're gonna be putting in the smoker. We've been reading them up for a while. Hello there.
Dylan.
I'm cooking you dinner. You cook me lunch, so I'm cooking you dinner. It just hasn't started cooking yet. So I'm cooking you dinner with
Better get that, Frank.
ovens.
What? Oh,
So okay, let me explain. This
looks
is
like a washing
under
machine.
$50 to build 3-row, and it's the insides of dryers. The rotating things of a dryer.
I thought the turbo was stupid. Welcome back. Oh, what? Daniel's starting a fire.
I'm putting paper in.
Ben, resist the urge.
Probably have to leave this door open until you get the flow going.
Just gotta let Dylan light a fire first, which is great.
Just it went out
Just
already.
don't let Ben touch it.
Why? What am I going to do?
Because bad things happen.
Because you're trying to
Most
jump
of the
over it.
time, yes. But there is a minority chance.
You should actually move it around so the wind's not.
No.
into it.
Just a bit of technical cycle fine. Light ants will not eat
There, Daniel. That kid's is global warming. Shopping adventures. Fun, aren't they? Now, we've got some slow cook beef brisket. I thought it said slow cooked. That would have been bad. Anyway, moving on. So we are going to cut this open without cutting myself. Now, this is very good. Now, as you know, I'm all a professional chef. I just forgot my hat today because. Is that good enough, boys?
Close enough.
Oh, Hayden, the bit was Daniel cooking for Ben. I guess we can't.
Oh God! I forgot about that bit. I'm cooking for myself.
Down a bit of crap, mate.
We've lost another one to the whipped.
Seriously? As you said, not as important as what we're doing.
That's why I said.
We need to take this camping.
What are you going to put it in?
The nav! Obviously. What do you think we're going to put it to surf? No way.
I've got no room, it's full of everyone else's stuff.
That doesn't matter, we'll make room. Meat that has been partially defatted. Yes. Hey, yeah. He's just saying give it to me now, I don't need it cooked. Anyway, it's time to put this in without severely burning myself.
You will.
Oh, thanks for the heads up, cameraman.
Do you want to get like a spatula to put it in?
No.
Yeah, mate. I'm going to put her in the middle.
So, real method.
Yep. Ah, down like that, that's already hot. Down like that, and sit it in there, and we're good to go. That's it. So Dylan, what have we learned today? Yes, we've finally done something more ambitious than cooking in a dirty old Surf's turbo. So, with that, my hands feel horrible. Bye, subscribe, like, you know all that. Or I'll haunt your dreams with the surf.